From CBS 4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackColorado.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackColorado.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now, the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
Welcome to this Haystack TV Spotlight. Well, spring is here, which means warmer temperatures and fun outdoor activities with friends and family. And most of us will soon be turning on our air conditioning units for the first time. When you're ready for the AC, there are some important tips you'll want to know, and Horizon Mechanical is here to share some AC information. Horizon Mechanical has been working in Colorado for more than 10 years. They're a referral-based company that maintains its own code of ethics and background checks employees. The company is a Better Business Bureau accredited company with an A+ rating. And with us today is Greg Tibbetts of Horizon Mechanical with some helpful AC tips. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Chris. I really appreciate it. You're right, it is spring. We're starting to get some warm days, and people are thinking about starting up their air conditioners. But you know, before you do that, there's some important things to consider. The first thing is make sure you change your filter. Of course, you know, we see more service calls on dirty filters than probably anything else. It's a really good way to increase the efficiency of your system as a homeowner. The next thing to remember is if you have a cover for your air conditioner, it's a good idea to take it off before you start it up. You can really cause some damage if you have a cover and you run the air conditioner with the cover on. The next thing to think about is you need to make sure that all the vents in your house are open. You know, your air conditioner requires a certain amount of airflow, and if you have a rug over the vent or maybe a piece of furniture, it can affect the efficiency. And also, you know, your air conditioner is going to get dirty over time, but really it's a gradual process, and you don't even know it's going on. And what happens is pretty soon the air starts coming out of the vents, and it's not as cold, you're not as comfortable, you don't know what's going on, and you're paying more for utility bills at the same time.
Now, what about someone that's looking to either add a new air conditioner that doesn't have one or replace an existing one? What incentives are out there right now?
There's some great incentives available right now. In fact, for a more premium type system, there's over $3,000 available. And you know, we have a fully staffed office 7 days a week, and if you have any questions on that, you can call anytime, any day.
And how about a special offer you have for our viewers?
Yes, we do have a special offer. Now, this offer would be for someone who maybe had an air conditioner installed a few years ago and it worked great for the first few years, but maybe over the last couple of seasons it hasn't done as well. Maybe there's a strange noise, or you just have some doubts about its efficiency. Well, I can have a top technician there for $99, and he'll start up the air conditioner, he'll run it, he'll evaluate it, and let you know if there's anything he can do to improve the efficiency of the unit.
Well, that's great. Let's circle back for a minute here about, you mentioned filters. Real important to change filters. That's your #1 service call. How often should you change it? Should it be once a year?
That's a great question. I would say that once a year is not enough, and I'll also say that probably every house is different. If you have pets and you have a lot of dust, or you live in a dusty area, you may change it as often as once a month, but a good average is about once every 3 months.
All right, and then cleaning the outdoor air conditioning unit. Can you just do that by yourself with a hose?
It really depends on the unit, and it really depends on the homeowner. In a lot of cases, yes, a homeowner, if he knows what he's doing, can shut the power off and hose the unit down. In a lot of cases, though, you would want to leave it to a professional. You're dealing with 220 volts and some very delicate equipment there.
Yeah, and that's a real good point. A lot of people go and they mess with it. They don't turn off the power to it, and there's a big fan that's very powerful, and you might, you know, lose some nubs here and there if you're not careful. So make sure you know what you're doing. Thanks so much for being here, sharing all those awesome tips. I'm going to tell our viewers how they can get a hold of you. Stay cool this summer with Horizon Mechanical. Call them now at 303-346-3466 for all your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. You can also visit their website at horizonmechanical.com. They're open 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at no additional charge. They also offer after-hours emergency service. Mention Haystack when you call and get an air conditioner startup system for just $99. Also call for an up-to-date info on incentive programs. The number once again is 303-346-3466. Horizon Mechanical paid for this segment. Thanks for watching. HaystackColorado.com is a free consumer referral service. You can find more reliable companies like Horizon Mechanical by going to HaystackColorado.com.